Hi WB stars, welcome again to Søllerød Kro. My name is Brian Mark and now I'm going to show you one of my signature dishes. It's a tenderloin of Danish ox with caviar, some fermented red peppers, dried peppers and red wine of course. So let's start with the dried ox. It's tenderloin and we age it for 2 weeks. We are frying it in bone marrow. We of course need some salt, some pepper, just slightly pinch. And then we're gonna put it right in the center. On top, I've made a jelly out of red wine, beetroot, our magical peppers, and some fermented red pepper as well. On top of that, we're gonna use the same, but now on top here we just made a cream out of it with beetroots. And here's all the magic. We got our caviar. It's oshchetra, the Russian sterlite. This one we mature for 1.5 months before we're gonna open it. Then it's totally insane in the flavor. The acids of the oshchetra caviar is so in balance right now that it's so crazy with the tenderloin. I made a sauce out of oxtail, red wine and fermented pepper as well. And we pour the caviar, or as we're calling it up here, Søllerød salt, into the bowl. And just mix it a little bit together. And now it's ready for serving. So, tenderloin fried in bone marrow, beetroot, fermented peppers, Søllerød salt, and a sauce made of oxtail. Enjoy!